Every day, we try to understand people, their thoughts, their actions, and reasons behind them. At NU Fairview, the Bachelor of Science in Psychology transforms that curiosity into deeper knowledge and real world understanding. Students are equipped with a strong foundation in psychological theories, research, assessment, and practical application, guided by scientific and evidence based learning. Throughout their journey, they are shaped not only academically, but also in values such as compassion, integrity, patriotism, resilience, and innovation, preparing them to respond to real-world challenges with purpose and responsibility. Beyond the classroom, they explore different fields such as mental health, education, human resources, research, and community work. NU Fairview also offers scholarships such as the Gold, White, Blue, and University Academic Excellence Benefit Scholarships, covering tuition and miscellaneous fees. More than just a program, Psychology at NU Fairview is a community, one that encourages growth, understanding, and purpose. Viva Sikolohiya! Make your own success story. Enroll in Viva Psychology at NU Fairview. Because anywhere you go, you carry success within.